So here we are, guys. We are in Good Intent, Manchester. Watch. Remember the big guns. Come through, my brother. So, I hope you walk with your good muscle, them, because you have some weight on it. Yeah, got you. Yeah. I get rain every day. Most days. Oh.
September season.
Okay, yeah. Straight in there. No, Instagram. Yeah, man. So you can check it out. May I get information before we leave? Yeah. So I get to the flyer and just the same, so you know? I run them out in the area. So remember what I told you guys, no deliveries are too big for us. None. Anywhere you are in the world, send them come. We got it covered. Yeah. All in a day's work, you know. The day just start. So we're gonna make our way back to Kingston now. I enjoy this trip. Enjoy the trip. The scenery, the scent of the place, the people. What's your name again, Paddy? Chris. I'm with Chris. Chris is already interested in us. We're gonna give Chris some flyer. Chris is gonna pass it on to the neighbors. So we do it on this delivery trail.